When you study, now after for the 5-10 years also, the Vedantic students, when they study Panchadasi, you feel very tough subject. Gurudev studied the first Prakarana Grantha. Suppose any teacher takes the first Prakarana Grantha, will drop idea of studying this Brahma Vidya. Next Janma will try that. Ayyo, too much. For us, the first text is Bhaja Govindam. Then he will come to class. Bhaja Govindam, Govindam, Bhaja Mudamate. Student is thinking that Adi Shankara is scolding someone else, not me. We come to class, hey, he is scolding you only. And that person says, no, you. Mudamate. Very nice. All sarcastic slokas. All sarcastic slokas. Yavat vitto parjana sattaha. When vitta goes, nobody will be there. Why nobody is there? Because you don't have money. Finished. Everybody will go. Very Bhaja Govindam is first. Very sarcastic, very jovial kind of. Adi Shankaracharya is not serious person actually. He is very jovial kind of person. Very jovial person. You read some part of Bhashya Manda. He says that one of the Bhashya. I keep on telling this fellow, you are Brahman, Tattvamasi, Tattvamasi. After the class, when I ask who are you, he says that I am son of Kupuswami. I kept on telling Tattvamasi. After Purnamada, I can get about who's his father. He says, I am son of so and so. Very sarcastic. He is writing one of the places in the Bhashya. Oh, very nice person. We only make him very serious kind of person. All our acharyas very, very jolly people. You see how our Gurudev brought Bhagavad Gita for us. Otherwise, nobody will study Bhagavad Gita. He will dance and he will enact. So, the voice modulus. Adi Shankaracharya also would have been like this one. We only made all kind of cloth. Then we will go.